So today, with 60 seconds, I'm going to show how easy and simple it is to use Assistive, and let's say 45 seconds to create a course. So I'll immediately just click Generate Course. I'll go ahead and generate a course on Algebra 2, a beginner course on Algebra 2, and we'll say for ninth graders. And just like that, we're going to keep it under 45 seconds. I'll have a pretty solid outline that I'm pretty proud of: equations and inequalities, functions, systems of equations, quadratic relations, polynomial, and relational expressions. So as I reviewed there, we keep the human in the loop. You can come in and change any of this info, but if you're feeling pretty good about it, we just simply publish that course. And as we go back to our course that we just generated, notice we have our course. And just like that, we can serve it to our students.